What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you see, I'm trying to play my Xbox right now. Just turn on the controller and it turns straight off. Now I got this controller about a few months ago, so there's no way that it shouldn't be working. I have this controller right here. And it does the same thing. So this is the easy steps on how to fix it. Right here. You go to your Xbox, you hold it down. When you hold it down, you look. Okay, now you see your stuff, your game went black. Okay? Count to about 10 in your head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you turn your game back on. Now it should, when it pops up, it should be like the Xbox rebooting screen, like this screen right here. Okay, now when it loads, I'm just gonna wait for it to load. It's loading, it's loading. It's loading. It's still loading. Damn, it's taking so long. Still loading, still loading. Still loading. Sign in. Okay, now you go back to your controller and you see that it's working again. So comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'm out.